Hi everyone, it is Friday, May 17th, and this is your forecast for the central United States. And since it is Friday, it's time to dance our way into the weekend. And we got a forecast this weekend that does include still some scattered showers, but I think there will be quite a few of us that get at least one of the 2 weekend days rain-free. Let's take a look at that map on this Friday morning. And today, the dry weather and warm weather is here in the upper Midwest, much of the state of Minnesota, Nebraska, Iowa, even Wisconsin, generally dry. There are some showers right here along the U.S.-Canadian border. The heaviest rain is going to fall down here along the Gulf Coast. That does include New Orleans, where there could be some flooding rains with some of those thunderstorms, rain in excess of 1.5 to 2 inches per hour with some of those storms. And some of those storms could actually be on the stronger side, maybe even a couple of severe storms. So we'll be watching that very closely. 78 today in Grand Rapids, 76 in Detroit, 72 in Cleveland, as well as Chicago. And yeah, there could be some scattered showers and thunderstorms, especially this afternoon, because of the daytime heating. That causes some instability. Look at that, though, out here where it's dry, 85 in Minneapolis and 84 in Des Moines. So where we have the clouds and the chance for showers is not going to be quite as warm. Scattered showers will keep those temperatures in the 70s, mostly mid-70s for much of the Ohio River Valley. We're going to see some warm temperatures extending across the Midwest and Great Lakes region here over the next several days, probably warming into the 80s, definitely feeling like summer as we approach Memorial Day weekend. That's next weekend, by the way. Man, time flies. 70s this weekend in Chicago, and then 80s early next week. As we move down to the southeast, we do have some 80s along the coast, 87 in Savannah, 77 though in Atlanta, where there could be some scattered showers and thunderstorms. Same for Memphis. And then, as I mentioned earlier, some heavier rain near New Orleans, especially just north of New Orleans and extending into the rest of Louisiana as well as southern Mississippi. That rain could come also with some severe weather, which we'll be watching out for later on this afternoon. Temperatures will take a little bit of a dip this weekend in the southeast, but then we get that warm up. The one that starts in the Midwest extends to the southeast by early next week. 92 today in Fort Lauderdale. There's a slight chance for a thunderstorm. This has been an extended period of hot and humid weather. I saw it was, let's see, today's Friday, so Thursday, Wednesday, the heat index in Key West got up to 115. That's a combination of heat and humidity, what it felt like. So it is steamy, and it's going to stay that way, I think, through at least early next week. That is your Friday morning weather update. I hope you all have a great weekend, and remember that as long as you want there to be, there will always be a 100% chance of good things.